Hello everybody, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix USB not recognized and not supported problem in your device Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G. So if you want to do so, you have to follow the steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix USB not recognized problem in your device Samsung Galaxy F52s 5G.